Okay, so question 5 in the series is S is equal to 40 plus 3t. See, whenever you see a linear equation, try start thinking in a way like y is equal to mx plus b, right? Where b is the initial value, x is the input, m is the rate of change, and y is the output, right? So because y is a function of x, so I can also write it as f of x is equal to mx plus b. Now if I compare it with our equation, here t is the input and s is a function of t. So either I can write it as s is equal to 3t plus 40, or I can write it as f of t is equal to 3t plus 40. And this 3 is the rate of change, right? So as soon as you see the linear equation, the first concept that should hit our brain is like it functions as y is equal to mx plus b. And if m is positive, that means the function is increasing, and if m is negative, that means the function is decreasing. Now we have the basic thought in our mind. Now let's see what the question is. The equation gives speed. Okay, so that means it is speed, miles per hour of certain car t seconds after it began to accelerate. So after t seconds, it accelerate. Now acceleration means change in speed. It's changing at a rate, constant rate. Because here 3 is a positive number, so we can take the concept from here that speed of the car is changing at the rate of 3 plus 3, right? Okay, perfect. So what is the speed in miles per hour of the car 5 seconds after it began to accelerate? So that means here the question needs to give input as 5. So simply give the input 5, and that is 15 plus 40, which is 55. So option D is correct. Clear?